Now we are working on the harmonic now. For harmonic function. For harmonic function, we need to have that USS plus UYY are the same. Like when you add them together, they must give you 0. You get? That's if you're given an equation, that's u. It's always u, sha. When adding them together must give you 0. Yeah. If it is a big function f, you must make sure that if you add your USS plus your UYY together, it gives you 0. If you have your VSS plus your VYY together, it must give you 0. But most of the times, we're always giving u. So, now, having said so, let's look at how we can be able to solve an equation with this. This is question one. We want to find out whether this thing is or obeys Cauchy-Riemann. You get? If you watch first, they say compute Laplacian. USS is 6s. How? Differentiating this equation twice. First of all, if you differentiate it the first time, you have 3x squared here. You get minus 3y squared. Because 3 will go to the front, and then you remove one from 3, you have 2. That's 3x squared. Then this one now you have 3y squared, because s is just raised to power 1, so it will automatically give you 1 when you differentiate it. You now have just 3y squared. That's the first time. Going back to do the second, that's going for the second one now. That's USS. The first one we did was US. To go to USS now, you have that 2 that you had here will go to the front again. 2 times 3 is 6. That's how you have this 6x. So remember, what was there was 3y squared. It will give you 0 when you do it. So you repeat that for UYY. You do UY. The first one, you do UY. This will give you 0. This will give you 6s minus 6sy. Then when you do this, the next one again, that y that is remaining there will go. You have minus 6s. When you add USS plus UYY together, you have 0. As in this case now. You have what? 0. So you see it now. Very, very simple as that. So you know it's actually it obeys harmonic condition, or it is harmonic in nature. Now there's a part again they say so u is harmonic, find v. So if u is harmonic, we can actually find v. I've solved this part in another video, so you can check out my other video to know where I solved this. I will not solve it here. So that's the thing.